All right, so I'm getting ready for snowblower season. So I'm setting up my snowblower inside the garage to go directly outside. All right, so this is a 26-inch snowblower, and this is the mat that I've been storing it on. Okay, so obviously when you snow blow, it collects a lot of snow within it. Okay, even if you bang it out, brush it out, and do all those things, you're gonna collect probably about a liter of water, and it's gonna leak. Okay, it's gonna leak all over your garage. And this is this jerry rig that I have rigged up. So I would pull the snowblower and park it on here. And it would thaw, drain, and may or may not get on the floor. And if it got on the floor and I wasn't too fast with it, it could damage your floor. All right. So I'm going to show you, all right, my $30 jerry rig. Oh, for you Americans, this would be but $5 or $6. But anyways, just a couple cheap ass boot mats. Okay, these are 14 by 38. Okay, so all I did was tape them together. Now I live in the middle of nowhere, okay, and there isn't any snowblower mats to be found. And if you want one and buy it online, it's going to be 120 bucks, or it might be 60, 70, $80. And I was concerned because this is a 26-inch and 14 times 2, 28. And obviously it was probably to the edges. Now let's see if it works. All right. I'll take you around this jerry rig. Okay, so what I did is took some Gorilla Tape and taped both these mats together. Now this is 3 or 4 layers together. This isn't going anywhere. And this is about an inch lip, okay? And yeah, it's a little close to the sides, okay? Now I would have preferred another inch leniency, but whatever snow sticks to the sides, it's gonna drain in this pan, okay? Before it would drain in that tarp, and it depends on the level of the floor, it might just drain on your floor. So it just makes it, okay? But I'm pretty pumped about this. And I know I humor very easily, so I thought I'd share this with you. All right, take care.